10 realistic jobs that you can start today from home as a stay-at-home parent. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top 10 work-from-home jobs that you can start today as a stay-at-home parent. Coming in at number 10 is opening your own Etsy store online. If you're creative with your hands, for example, arts and crafts, knitting, crocheting, you can sell those online with Etsy. There are different fees involved, so you are going to want to check the website to check those fees depending on which country you're located in. Coming in at number 9 is teach English online. If you have a bachelor's degree, you can apply to teach English online through VIPKid. All the work is done for you. All you have to do is show up for your scheduled class and earn anywhere between $15 to $22 per hour. You can also look on Indeed.com to see what other work they have to offer. Number 8, online tutoring. This is great for teachers or anyone who have a passion for subjects such as science, maths, or English. This involves you helping kids with their homework or practice for their tests. If you're a stay-at-home parent like myself, you can block out an hour depending on your child's nap schedule, or you can schedule classes in the evening if you have a space that's free that you don't mind using. Number 7, a translator. Now this is perfect for someone who's multilingual and they're comfortable speaking and writing in a different language. This involves translating written documents, audio files, and the great thing about this, you can do this remotely. You can often find assignments with a fixed price between $15 to $1,000 on Indeed.com or Upwork. Are you a dog lover? Then this one may be for you. Coming in at number 6 is the Dog Rover app. This is one of the largest apps around the world where people find dog walking, dog sitting, daycare, or dog boarding. It's very flexible. You set your own prices and your own schedule, and you can offer any combination of the services that you please. Number 5, QMe app. If you have an hour or two to spare, you can get paid for your opinion using this app. Now, not all surveys are compatible on your mobile phone, so you will have to go on your desktop from time to time to complete some of the surveys. Another great thing about this app is that you can find offers and coupons from some of your favorite brands. Number 4, a brand ambassador. Now this is great for someone with experience in sales, marketing, or retail. Basically, you team up with brands whose products and services that you believe in. They will give you goals that you need to reach, for example, on a weekly or monthly basis. And the great thing about this is that all of this can be done via social media or via your email. You can find work on Indeed.com or visit the brand's website and look at their portal. Coming in at number 3 is proofreading. If you know the difference between there, and there, then this may be the job for you. You can pick up regular work or seasonal work, for example, when students are back at university. I have personally done this myself, where I've helped my sister by proofreading some of her friends' work, and I charge from $15 to $55 depending on the word count of that piece of work. You can also find these types of jobs on remote.co, Indeed.com, and LinkedIn. Coming in at number 2 is homestay. If you love people, have a spare room, want to build lasting connections, then this could be the perfect option for you. Basically, you take people from overseas, with the majority being international students. You bring them into your home, treat them as your own, provide them with a bed, basic amenities, provide them with breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all for a price of your choosing. Now, I have personally done this myself, not where I've brought someone into my home, but I was on the other end. I went and stayed with a beautiful family in Sydney, Australia, back in 2013 when I was finishing off my podiatry degree. And let me tell you, the experience was fantastic. I used the exact same website, Homestay, which I will put in the description below. Coming in at number 1 is Facebook Marketplace. Now, this is one of my favorites because as a parent, you accumulate so many stuff from buying things that you don't need and from friends and family who give you lots and lots of gifts that you end up don't even using. So what better way to get rid of it than sell it on Facebook Marketplace? Now, if you don't have an account, all you have to do is go and create an account and make a listing. Now, when you're making your listing, I do suggest that you have at least 3 high quality photos of the item that you'd like to sell and a very good detailed description. In your description, put little things like smoke-free, pet-free home, whether it's brand new, whether it's used, what size it may be, and the color. You'll be surprised. People really appreciate the small details. Now, I know I said 10 realistic jobs that you can do from home today, but I just have one more that I'd like to throw in, and that's affiliate marketing. The great thing about affiliate marketing is you don't need any money, you don't need your own product, and you definitely don't need to have any marketing or testing skills. So there you have it, everyone. My top 10 with my bonus realistic jobs that you can start earning money with today as a stay-at-home parent. If you got great value from this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and press that notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video.